There's so many bees coming in through here. This is like ridiculous. And there's so many outside. This is not fun. This is like the not fun part. Look at all these. Oh my God, there's hundreds of them. Oh my God, ow! I got fucking stung. Ow. Hudson! Hudson, buddy! Come on, buddy! Ah! Super windy. I'm like wondering what I'm doing out here right now. Really windy outside, but it's so nice to be able to come in here. This blocks the wind way better than a tent. We've been kind of hanging out inside today. It's not very pleasant to be out there right now. Last night I was actually able to see the Milky Way. I saw so many stars. It's really nice when you have a new moon because the night sky is that much darker. Yeah, we're kind of hunkering down in here today. I think the winds will die down later tonight. This is fucking crazy. Hudson's dog bowl down there literally has like 50 bees surrounding it, drinking the little bit of water that's left in there. So we're forced inside here, just trying to wait it out. Eventually they'll go away, I hope. There's way too many bees for comfort. Man, this kind of sucks. They're trying to come in through here. Now this thing isn't really bug proof. There's like giant holes in it. So it's just really frustrating. It's times like these where it's like, why am I doing this? All of a sudden there's a ton of bees in here. 1, 2, I see like 5 bees right here. And they're all surrounded Hudson's water bowl. There's like 30 bees around me. Being in the elements, you're just exposed to everything. There's so many bees coming in through here. This is like ridiculous. I don't even know what to do. Like, holy shit. I'm gonna get stung by a bee. This is not fun. This is like the not fun part about this life. Look at all these. Look at all these. Oh my God. Look at all these. Oh my God, there's hundreds. Oh my God! Ow! I got fucking stung. Ow. Hudson! Hudson, buddy! Come on, buddy! This is crazy. Ow, I got stung by a bee. There are seriously like hundreds of bees in there. I hope Hudson didn't get stung. I got stung on my foot. I can't even go in my trailer. There's literally hundreds in there. Ow, my foot hurts. Thankfully there's none in here. Ow, my foot is stinging so bad. Ow. Ah. Ah. I dropped my car keys outside, so I can't start the car. There's just a ton of bees everywhere. All right, my battery's about to die on this GoPro, but I gotta do something about this. I might get stung by 100 bees right now. But I wanna show you, there's so many in here. Here's my trailer. Oh my God, do you see that? Oh my God, do you see that? I don't even know what to do. Just hopefully they'll leave soon. I feel like they're gonna be here for hours. This is like a nesting area. You can see how these erosional features in the rock there, they're like little caves almost, little nooks. There's a ton of those all around here. I'm sure that's where the birds live. It's really cool. This place, like, I don't know, might get really loud sometimes. It would be really cool to hear the birds like nesting. You could see bird poop up there, like right by their dens. That's really cool. So those bees, I was thinking about it, those bees probably live up in here too. I just like came to their home and delivered them some water. So I feel good about it. You know, I gave them a good drink. Gave them a good drink of water, so help out the bees. But yeah, this is sick. There's a bird. I have no idea what kind of bird that is. Super epic place. I love these, like, we're all alone out here. This is like a really nice hike to do. We have kind of a trail to follow. And it's just beautiful. I love all those, I don't know if they're Joshua trees or yuccas. When I get up closer, I'll take a look. They're yuccas, I think. Here's some dead yucca trees. I would love to take some of this wood. This is too far for me, but there were a few pieces closer to my camp that I'll probably try and take. I just wonder how it smells and how it burns and stuff. But yeah, this is the end of our hike. We're gonna turn around here. Looks beautiful. It's so cool to see places like this. Yeah, I mean, like, this inspires me like more than a national park would. So yeah, sun setting, you can see the shadows. These trees are cool. Love these. What a beautiful morning we have here. It's perfectly still and quiet. This is what makes it worth it. The last 2 days were pretty brutal out here. We had some wind, some crazy bee incident, and I was questioning myself. I was like, what am I doing out here? Why am I doing this? It was not fun. But mornings like this remind me why I'm out here. so peaceful. It's just beautiful. We're all alone out here. There's no one else. Not another person in sight. So yeah, I'm gonna cook some breakfast, pancakes, maybe some bacon. And yeah, we're just gonna take it easy today. Last couple days were really hard. So I'm just gonna kind of chill out today.